Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Muln stock. This stock is freaking nuts. Like, holy crap, guys. This stock is up another 40% today. It's over $4 per share. Every single indicator of mine leads me to believe that it is going to keep running, other than the fact that it's clearly overbought right now. And it's just crazy. It's just crazy. We're going to give you guys the update today. Drop a like on the video if you guys enjoyed this content. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Also, join my Discord channel, guys. Third link in the pinned comment section down below. Hootmoney's free Discord channel. Check that out. We also have Hootmoney trade alerts, which gives you access to a private Discord channel. That's up 75% on the week as well. But let's get right into it. So here we have the chart. As you guys can see, the weekly chart is absolutely phenomenal. I'll show you guys right now how you guys can come up with new price targets for Muln. You use the fib retracement. So as you guys can see, we have the 4-hour chart right here. It's showing very parabolic price action. What we can do to get price targets here is use this fib retracement. You essentially just click the lowest point right here. You drag it up. You want to make sure the second line is at that $2 level. We want to make sure the lowest level is at the lowest point right here, and the second lowest level is on this spike up right here to $2.17. So now that we have that set up, we can get some price targets right here. The highest level would be $6.27. 515 is the next highest level. 428 is the next level. We'll see if we can hit that today. And then 339 is the level that we broke through in after hours. As you guys can see this morning, it used it as a perfect resistance level. So I think it is a decently significant Fibonacci retracement that we have here. Weekly chart is still looking excellent, guys. VWAP is pointing up. It's still on a minus blue wave. Everything is good in that department. Daily chart is showing that it's overbought, but it's also showing that there's room to run. No indication of a VWAP crossover anytime soon. The VWAP is pointing pretty flat there on the daily. It's actually slightly pointing down, but at the same time, the red money flow is pointing up, so it is good to go in that department. Moving into the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see, there were multiple fake outs here. There's a fake out right here, fake out right here that would come back down. It didn't. It kept going back up, and that's the theme with short squeeze stocks. They can stay overbought for quite a bit of time, so time in the top is definitely very difficult. For example, right here, it does show bullet bearish divergence in MULN, right? But did we go down? No, it gapped up. So there's genuinely nothing about the technicals right here that tell me that it's going to slow down or it's going to sell off, other than the fact that it is overbought. But at the same time, it can remain overbought. So there's really nothing telling me that this thing is going to stop. I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Moomoo, a licensed FINRA broker that does absolutely zero payment for order flow. They're running a promotion where you can get up to $7,000 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on their platform. Also, you get a free share of NEO with a deposit of $1 on their platform. That goes for about $20 per share. Get a free lunch on Hootmoney. Also get potentially a free share of Apple, Amazon, Facebook, you name it, stock on Moomoo. Links are below in the description or pinned comment section to check it out. And again, deposit $1 to get those bonuses. Anyways, let's get right back into the video. Here we got Muln with a 93 short squeeze score on Fintel, putting it at number 58 on that short squeeze leaderboard. As of 1 hour ago, there's 3 million shares currently available to be shorted. 13% cost to borrow, so it's relatively cheap right there. Short exempts were also very high at over 4 million there as of Friday. We also have a short volume ratio of over 30%, which does show that this stock is shorted pretty heavily. I'm so excited for the next failure to delivers data because there was 6 million there on February 24th, and that's before the volume even came in on Muln. So I can only imagine there's going to be like over 100 million failure to delivers or something crazy like that in the next failure to deliver report we get from FINRA. Here we have the Ortex data, 100% utilization, 14% cost to borrow, 2 million shares were borrowed as of today. So people are definitely trying to short the heck out of this thing. Days to cover is very low. There's also about 10 million shares that are on loan that aren't being shorted right now definitely poses a risk because they could just plow those shares into the return shares one day, make the short interest look like it dropped, like it covered, just manipulate things overall. Here we have the options flow for MULN, which I will be spending my most amount of time on. We're looking at $10,000 in premium or more, ask side only, calls and puts. As you guys can see, it's 90% bullish, 86% bullish right there. Absolutely incredible. There's also tons of bets that are over 50,000 in premium as well. As you guys can see, we're just going to drop today's trades only on there so you can see what's going on. This is ridiculous. I mean, for the size of this stock, the amount of call options on it is absolutely ridiculous. I can't ignore this. It's so freaking bullish. You're not seeing people put this much money into puts. You're seeing them put this much money into calls. And this stock is up a ton, and it's still getting plowed in with call options. Looking at the bid and the ask side and calls only, we can get an idea of more people are buying or more people are selling. As you guys can see, it's still mostly buying right there. At 54% of people are buying the call options, opposed to 46% are selling. However, if we move the premium up to 30,000, it becomes even more bullish right there at 60% bullish. And if we move it up to 50,000, it becomes even more bullish, right, at 67%. This means that the people that are dropping the most amount of money on MULN are also the most bullish. Here we're looking at the historical options breakdown, only 3 hours into market open right now, and we're seeing over 100,000 in call volume. It's already over 50% of the volume that we saw on Friday, so it's another nice little parabolic day that we're seeing here. Although, understand that every time the call option volume goes up, as well as the price going up, obviously, it inherently becomes a lot more risky buying into the stock. Here you guys can see the biggest option trades from today. It's 70% bullish. The only bears are selling their call options. So they're not even bears, right? They're just profit takers. So again, it's super bullish. Dark pool volume today is already as high as it was on Friday. Max pain for April 14th is $1 per share. So keep that in mind, my friends. If you don't understand max pain, look that up yourself. It's not showing the gamma exposure down there. However, as you guys can see, it's ridiculous, right? Most of these contracts are already in the money, as you guys can see. So we're going to have to build out this gamma ramp from $5 to $10 per share. And they added this new $6 contract as of this morning. So that's all I got, my friends. MULN is currently squeezing. It's going absolutely parabolic, and at the same time, there are no signs that it is slowing down. Yes, there are profit takers. You can take profits if you do want to. I mean, the profits have been absolutely insane. However, the profit takers have been absolutely riddled by the buyers of this company, and for that reason, I think the momentum does continue. It's very hard to believe that it does slow down. But with that being said, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying to go out there and buy the stock. This is just how I see it currently under the conditions that were presented in today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, hit that post notification bell next to the subscribe button if you don't want to miss my timely updates here on this channel. Also, join the free Hootmoney Discord channel, the third link in the description down below. Oh, not the description, and third link in the pinned comment section down below. Also, check out Moomoo if you want up to $7,000 in free stock, as well as a free share of Neo. All you got to do is deposit $1 on their platform. You can find that with the second link in the description, first link in the pinned comment section down below. And if you want Hootmoney trade alerts, we're up 75% over the past week. That's the first link in the description. Anyways, my friends, that's about it. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.